Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you guys had a good trading day today. Today I traded Clvs, Clovis Oncology, and today they presented over at ESMO, which is a really big European oncology conference. It's equivalent to ASCO, ASCO in America. And usually in these conferences, a lot of attention are given to these presentations, especially investors. They're going to pull their money out or put money in really quick. And I looked at the data. It looked pretty good. They had 44% confirmed response rate based on RECIST criteria, which is a standardized oncology criteria based on tumor size. And anything over 40% confirmed response would qualify for an FDA approval down the line. And also, the treatment emergent was nothing severe. You have your typical fatigue, right here, and nausea, and a few subjects were discontinued, which is very typical, probably because the patient already had really severe cancer to begin with. And yeah, so my trade, I saw it wash out really hard in the beginning. I thought it was a great buying opportunity. I thought it was gonna bounce back and hit green on the day. And usually I wouldn't buy the first leg washdown, but because I was long biased, I was willing to take this first washout. And I saw a little stuff here, 1-2 candles, and I decided, you know what, maybe it's not going to go green. So, I sold it and I waited for the second leg down, which is what I typically like, as well as the third leg. But when I saw the second leg supporting pretty well, I took a position, and like I said in my previous videos, I like to sell in VWAP, and I didn't think it was going to go green on a day because it washed out pretty hard, and it shouldn't have. There shouldn't be a second leg down if it was really good data. Something is definitely going on. And I spoke with a former colleague on why this happened is because there's a PARP inhibition drug that's waiting for approval, and PARP is a enzyme for treatment of cancer, and that company is PFE, which is green on a day, that is waiting for approval. So maybe that's why Clvs not go green on the day, because everybody's waiting for this one. And my second is my swing trade GoPro. Added some size yesterday at the $7 area, and hoping to cover around 640. And we'll see how it reacts, keeping a really close look, as this is support. All right, hope you guys have a good weekend. See you Monday.